to see her tiles. Let's go! Yay! So here they got a very good collection, which in GFA, most of their tiles you cannot find elsewhere in the market. So I'm very sure they have a very good, shall I say, unique collection.
That's what I like, because I want my house to be unique, special and different. Right?
Right. So even laying the tiles pattern also varies. The laying pattern, the joinery, the texture, the color, the feel also plays a role in a part of the tile selection. So shall we go and proceed to take a look at what they have here in-house?
I have one more question that is in my heart. I want to ask. Anything extra I have to pay attention or I have to take care of the tile?
Well, okay, a lot of people think getting a tile, say example, say homogeneous or marble, they need extra care. True to the fact, yes, you need to, but to simplify it is what I do housekeeping, I clean, and the most economical way I use only lukewarm water, a microfiber cloth, that's all. You don't have to use any, say, magic clean lotion to clean.
Okay, what if I drink a glass of red wine and I accidentally pour onto my tiles? What will happen to my tile? Red patch?
Okay, for marble, yes, for marble you tend to, for porcelain tile, no. For homogeneous, no. That's the beauty of these man-made tiles, porcelain and homogeneous.
Is this a tile?
Oh yes, this is the tiles. You take a look, it doesn't look like a tile, but it is a tile.
This is a tile? An eating tile?
You see, the GFA customized this into like a cheese board. You can use a multi-purpose for serving tray. Even the table, you see the table. The table also large format tiles. See the amazing of GFA can do something, you know, to turn from a normal looking format tile into a thick countertop.
Oh, so a tile is not only for floor. It can be for a cheese board, for my snack bar, for a table.
Table to planter to anything you can think of, it can be made.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Take a look. Take a look at their large format tiles. They're even more impressive.
Oh, okay.
Joey, you see this piece of art? This is handcrafted in Italy, you know. I was saying handcrafted in Italy. You see the color is so vibrant, you see? You see, would you like to maybe, oh yeah, I think one of your boy, the toilet or the room, they need a special color, a mixture of rainbow in the room. Shall we do one for him?
Yes. My little one that he need a colorful colors in his life, remember? Yeah.
I think we can do something like this. We can do it together and make it happen in the small boy's room.
It's for my little Algernon.
As you can see here, they have a large format collection of
This is my favorite. I love this piece.
Collection of porcelain tiles, large format, you see, where you don't see anywhere here in Singapore.
Oh, so how about the dimension that you did mention to me?
Dimension, you can see this is 1.2 by 2.4. The thickness is only 6 mm. 6 mm thick.
Any different from others tile supplier that what's so special about JFA?
They carry, the range is different. The range. They have very special, unique range which will not be replicated in other supplier. So that's the beauty of GFA. And I like the collection. Unique, special.
Okay, my friend did advise me if I want to have a tiles, try not to be so small that 没有那个霸气. Yeah, so they always advise me that I should go for tiles that is bigger pieces in my living room, especially to make my living room look more glamorous. Is it true?
True. That's very true. Bigger format tiles makes the room bigger and nicer, but then again, your house needs to be big to carry large format tiles.
Oh, I love this one. I want to get this. Can we actually put tiles into my kitchen area?
All are possible. All are possible. Kitchen meaning on the backsplash or on the flooring. All are possible. Let's go to the bathroom. This is a powder room effect. You see here? Powder room effect. We can actually have it in your other side of the, maybe one of your guest room. Oh, they have this amazing custom mode. You see, I was earlier talking about tiles. You see the numbers, you can even machine the number into whatever number design into your tiles and make it into numbering signage.
Oh, this is a bathroom tile.
It can be on the wall, it can be on the floor. Depending on the texture also. If it is a glossy texture, advisable to be on the wall.
How about those kitchen top? Can I use tiles?
Okay, can be done. Can be done. Can be done.
Wow.
See the detail of the monochrome tiles. The color.
Yes, very pretty, very nice. I like the black and white color.
You see? Valentino, Roberto Cavalli, Versace.
They have Versace tiles. Unbelievable. Branded tiles.
You see MS.
Oh!
MS also have tiles. MS tile dated back, I think should be 100 over years.
Oh, so nice, so nice.
Look at the collection here.
Oh, these are Hermes tiles?
Yeah, MS tiles.
Wow.
They put it in their showroom.
Wow.
So this is the one that we're going to pick for your dry kitchen. See, dry kitchen. This is a lot of pattern printed. Take a pic and see what you think will fit into your dry kitchen.
Okay. Do you think I should go for this?
This is Goyard, the bag, you know, the branded bag Goyard.
Okay, Goyard. They're not very nice to say people Goyard, okay? Do you think I should choose this?
This is like LV.
I like Hermes better. Okay, do you think I should choose this? Why don't you choose for me? I can't decide. Everything is so nice here. I just want to have everything. Nice. Okay, I think I will go for this.